Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your ultimate channel for health and wellness knowledge. Today, we're embarking on a tantalizing journey through the vibrant and delicious world of lemon water. So come on and join us as we get ready to quench our thirst for lemon knowledge as we uncover the myriad benefits of this delicious elixir. So, what is lemon water? Lemon water, a delightful fusion of pure water and freshly squeezed lemon juice, has captivated health enthusiasts and wellness seekers alike for centuries. But what sets this humble concoction apart from the rest? Stay with us as we peel back the layers and dive into the transformative powers of lemon water. Is there any science behind lemon water elixir? Yes, we absolutely have the science backing up watery citrus sensation. Lemons, known for their tangy flavor and vibrant hue, are veritable nutritional powerhouses, bursting with vitamin C, antioxidants, flavonoids, and minerals like potassium and magnesium. Lemons boast a formidable arsenal of health-promoting compounds. Vitamin C in particular serves as a very potent antioxidant that bolsters immune function, scavenges harmful free radicals, and supports collagen synthesis for radiant skin, nails, and hair. What are the benefits that lemon water will provide? Prepare to be shocked by the dazzling array of benefits that lemon water bestows upon the body and mind. Benefit number 1, the hydration amplification. Staying adequately hydrated is the cornerstone of good health, and lemon water offers a refreshing twist to the age-old practice of hydration. Sipping on this invigorating elixir throughout the day can help replenish fluids lost through perspiration and bodily functions, keeping you feeling energized and revitalized. Remember, it is all about the freshness of the lemon juice you add into your water. It's best to squeeze it, add it to water, and drink it, since vitamin C has a short lifetime after juicing your lemons. Benefit number 2, lemon water acts like your personal gut health guardian. A happy gut is the key to overall well-being, and lemon water serves as a loyal ally in maintaining digestive harmony. The natural acidity of lemons stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and gastric juices, promoting optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. Additionally, lemon water's gentle laxative effect can help alleviate occasional constipation and promote regular stools. Benefit number 3, detoxification dynamo. In our today's extremely filled of toxins world, supporting our body's natural detoxification pathways is more critical than ever. Lemons contain citric acid, a compound that stimulates liver function and enhances your body's ability to flush out toxins and metabolic waste products. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water can kickstart your body's detoxification process and leave you feeling extremely refreshed and rejuvenated. Benefit number 4, your metabolism booster. If you're on a quest to rev up your metabolism and torch those stubborn pounds, look no further. Lemon water is your friendly ally. Studies suggest that the polyphenols found in lemons may help increase metabolic rate and promote fat oxidation, making it an extremely valuable addition to any weight loss regimen. Benefit number 5, pH balance agent. Despite their acidic taste, lemons exert an alkalizing effect on the body once they are metabolized. Balancing your body's pH levels is essential for maintaining optimal health and vitality, as acidity has been linked to inflammation, oxidative stress, and a host of chronic diseases. By incorporating lemon water into your daily routine, you can help neutralize excess acidity and promote a well-balanced internal environment. Benefit number 6, cleansing cocktail. Flush out toxins and jumpstart your day with a cleansing glass of lemon water. The diuretic properties of lemons help promote urine production and flush out impurities from the urinary tract, kidneys, and bladder. This beautiful detoxification process can help reduce bloating, alleviate water retention, and promote overall urinary tract health. Benefit number 7, active mood enhancer. Elevate your spirits and banish the blues with a sip of lemon sunshine in a glass. The refreshing aroma and tangy taste of lemon water can awaken your senses, invigorate your mind, and lift your mood. Plus, the vitamin C content in lemons has been linked to reduced stress levels and improved cognitive function, helping you stay sharp and focused throughout your daily activities. These are some powerful benefits we can get just from sipping on some fresh lemon water. But thing is, how can you incorporate lemon water into your routine? Now that you're acquainted with the huge benefits of lemon water, let's explore some creative ways to incorporate this revitalizing liquid into your daily routine. Strategy number 1, create a morning ritual. As we said before, make the decision to kickstart your day on a refreshing note by sipping on a glass of warm lemon water first thing in the morning. Simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a cup of warm water and enjoy the invigorating blend. You can also add some soluble fiber, like grinded flax seeds or chia seeds, to potentiate this elixir and make it an even better day starter. Strategy number 2. Use it as a hydration helper. Stay hydrated and refreshed throughout the day by infusing your water with slices of fresh lemon, lime, or other citrus fruits. Keep a pitcher of lemon-infused water in the fridge for a convenient and delicious way to stay hydrated. Remember that your lemon's benefits only last for a short period of time, so do not let your lemon juice sit anywhere for too long. Strategy number 3. Apply it as a pre-workout power-up. Boost your energy levels and enhance your workout performance by hydrating with lemon water before hitting the gym. The electrolytes and vitamin C in lemon water can help you replenish fluids lost through sweat and support optimal muscle function during exercise. Strategy number 4. It's a great and delicious mealtime companion. Pair your meals with a glass of lemon water to aid digestion and enhance nutrient absorption. The acidity of lemon water can help stimulate digestive enzymes and bile production, making it an ideal accompaniment to heavy or rich meals. Try having a glass of lemon water 20 minutes previous to every meal. Strategy number 5. Soothing sip. Wind down in the evening with a soothing cup of herbal tea infused with lemon and stevia or monk fruit. This calming concoction can help relax your mind, soothe your senses, and promote restful sleep. What precautions do you need to have? Does lemon water have any side effects? While lemon water offers a plethora of health benefits, it's essential to consume it mindfully and be aware of potential considerations. We include some tips here. Look out for dental health. The acidity of lemon juice can erode tooth enamel over time, leading to tooth sensitivity and decay. To minimize the risk, consider drinking lemon water through a straw so you can avoid direct contact with your teeth. Additionally, rinse your mouth with plain water after consuming acidic beverages and wait at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth. Gastrointestinal sensitivity. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, such as heartburn or acid reflux when consuming acidic foods or beverages like lemon water. If you're prone to these issues, consider diluting the lemon juice a bit more or opting for other hydrating beverages like plain water or herbal teas. Skin sensitivity. Direct exposure to sunlight right after consuming lemon water may increase the risk for photosensitivity and skin irritation, particularly in individuals that suffer from sensitive skin. To reduce the likelihood of adverse reactions, avoid prolonged sun exposure and consider applying good quality sunscreen or protective clothing when outdoors. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, lemon water is a versatile and rejuvenating beverage that offers a plethora of health benefits for the body, mind, and spirit. By incorporating this simple yet potent elixir into your daily routine, you can harness the power of nature to support your weight loss, better gut health, overall well-being, and vitality. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this juicy video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. We are sure that by joining us today on this juicy video, you got a refreshing splash of the transformative world of lemon water. Together, let's raise a glass to vibrant health and vitality. Please leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with lemon water. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Remember to start your day with this fresh lemon elixir. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.